Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we have another very interesting question from radical mathematics. Here we have to evaluate x power 6. So let's get started by considering right hand side numerator over denominator. Now I will simplify my numerator separately. So it is square root 84 plus square root 36 plus square root 28 plus square root 12. Now I will find factors of radicands. So I can write here square root 12 times 7, 84, plus square root 12 times 3, it is 36, plus square root 4 times 7, which will be 28, plus square root 4 times 3, which is 12. Now root 12 is common from first two terms. So root 7 plus root 3 in the bracket, plus root 4 is common from last two, root 7 plus root 3. Or I can write my factors root 12 plus root 4 times root 7 plus root 3. This is numerator. Let us write 1 over x equal to root 12 plus root 4 times root 7 plus root 3 over root 12 plus root 4 plus root 7 plus root 3. Now I will write the value of x. So I need to flip numerator and denominator. So I will be writing here x equal to root 12 plus root 4 plus root 7 plus root 3 over. I will write root 12 plus root 4 in one bracket, root 7 plus root 3 in other bracket. Now I will split my numerator. So I will write root 12 plus root 4 over root 12 plus root 4 times root 7 plus root 3 plus root 7 plus root 3 over root 12 plus root 4 times root 7 plus root 3. Now we have to cancel root 12 plus root 4 here. So it is left 1 over root 7 plus root 3 plus 1 over root 12 plus root 4. Now I will rationalize my denominator. So here I will be multiplying root 7 minus root 3 in the numerator and denominator. And for this term, we will multiply root 12 minus root 4 in the numerator and denominator. Now a plus b times a minus b. So we can write here the algebraic formula, difference of two squares. So I will be writing x equal to now denominator will be 7 minus 3, 12 minus 4. Let us write minus 3 over 7 minus 3 plus square root 12 minus square root 4 over 12 minus 4. This is our x. So I can write root 7 minus root 3 over 4 plus root 12, we can write 2 square root 3. Root 4, it is 2 over 12 minus 4 is 8. Further, I can write root 7 minus root 3 over 4 plus root 3 minus 1 over 4. Now we can cancel minus and plus root 3 as our denominator is same. So x will become root 7 minus 1 over 4. Now I have to find out x power 6, and this time I will use binomial expansion. So I will write the value of x power 6 will be root 7 minus 1 over 4 whole power 6, or we can write root 7 minus 1 whole power 6 divided by 4 power 6. So I will write root 7 minus 1 whole power 6 expansion. So for this we should be knowing the expansion coefficients. So I will use Pascal triangle. So 1, 1, 1, 2, 1 for power 2. Coefficients will be 1, 3, 3, 1 for power 3. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1 for power 4. 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1 for power 5. And for required power 6, 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, 1. So let me write first root 7 power 6, root 7 power 5, root 7 power 4, root 7 power 3, root 7 power 2, root 7 power 1, and root 7 power 0. Now I will use coefficients 1, 6, here it is. So I will be writing here 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, 1. Now sign in between, because of here we have minus sign. So I will write minus for odd powers. Now we have to simplify RHS. I will write root 7 power 6. It will be 7 cube minus 6 times root 7 power 4 times root 7 power 1. So I will write 7 square times root 7 plus 15 times 7 square minus 20 times root 7 square is 7 times root 7 plus 15 times root 7 square is 7 minus 6 root 7 and then plus 1. Now we have to write the values. 7 cube is 343 minus 6 times 49. This is 294 root 7 plus 15 times 49. This value will come out 735 minus 140 root 7 plus 105 minus 6 root 7 plus 1. Now I can write 343 plus 735 plus 105 plus 1 and then minus root 7 in bracket 294 plus 140 plus 6. That's it. Now this bracket will give us, the addition will give us 1184 minus 440 square root 7. So this is our numerator of expression. So let me write here 1184 This time I am writing x power 6. So denominator will be 4 power 6 and this is 440 square root 7. Now I can take 8 common from the numerator. So I will be writing in the bracket. It will be 148 minus 55 root 7. And denominator we can consider here 4 power 6. 2 square is 4, whole power 6, 2 power 12. Now I can write 12 as 9 plus 3. So 2 power 9 times 2 power 3. So I can write 8 times 2 power 9 in the denominator. So 8 and 8 will be over. So our answer is ready. X power 6 equal to 148 minus 55 square root 7 divided by 2 power 9. This is our answer. Now I will share shortcut. How it will look like. Only binomial expansion means the identities we will use. So I will write here x power 6 as x square whole cube, where x is root 7 minus 1 over 4. So let us calculate x square first. So it will be equal to square root 7 minus 1 over 4 whole square. A minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab over 4 square I will write here. Now this is 8 minus 2 square root 7 over 16. So x square will be 4 minus root 7 over 8. Now we have to consider cubing of this. So x power 6 will be x square whole cube, and x square is 4 minus square root 7 over 8 whole cube. Let us calculate here. 4 minus square root 7 whole cube over 8 whole cube. This is our expression x power 6. A minus b whole cube we can apply. So a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square divided by 8 cube. Now 4 cube is 64. Root 7 cube is 7 root 7. Then I will write minus 16 times 3, 48 root 7 plus 12 times 7, 84 divided by 8 cube. Now I will write it will be equal to 64 plus 84. So value will be 148 minus 7 plus 48, 55 square root 7 over 8 we can write 2 cube whole cube. So our answer is ready. X power 6 equal to 148 minus 55 square root 7 divided by 2 power 9. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck and take care of yourself. Goodbye.